Yo, what is going on, boys? In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can generate your own custom one-to-one DMA firmware. This firmware is so good that you can kill top pros and not even get banned messages.
Tell them it was by accident.
So as you can see, it's pretty good. If you would like to get your hands on this firmware, I'm going to show you exactly how you can generate your own. To join the Discord server Ghost Main, you can either go to the top link in the description or go to your Discord, click on join server and type in Ghost Main. Now that you have joined the server, all you're going to do is click on the goshop.cc link in the top left corner. After you're on this website, click check all of our products, DMA, and custom firmware. The custom firmware that I will be going with today will be the custom Expert V2 firmware. So after you have clicked your firmware, go ahead and hit buy now. Now that you are on here, enter in your email address and click your payment method. Once you have received your key, all you're going to do is go to this purchase tab in the Discord server and go to generate firmware. Once you go in your ticket, all you're going to do is type /build key and put in your key that you received via your email. Once you type out this key, it will show choose DNA model. Make sure this is your DMA card's model or else your firmware could get messed up. Now it says enter in DNA ID. What you can do to find your DNA is go to the guides and download this DNA tool. For this video, I'll just be using this one right here. Once you have gotten your DNA ID, all you're going to do is enter in right here and click on submit. As you can see, it says build has been queued, so all you're going to do is wait 15 minutes just for your firmware to generate. Now that this process is finished, you can download this and install it to your DMA card.